Is it time to buy or sell the QQQ exchange-traded fund? In this video, we will explore the QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 5th of December, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.71. Let's examine the performance of the exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 6.01%. This corresponds to an average return of 0.27% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned in the upper part of a weak rising trend in the short term. This scenario may present a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. If there is a breakout above the top trend line at $524.01, it will indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 9.86% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 4.37% and 10.32%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 23.96% over the next year, with a potential return between 11.33% and 24.40%. This translates to a price range of $580.95 to $649.15 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the QQQ includes the headline, Evaluation of QQQ ETF downgraded after the last trading session. The QQQ ETF price experienced a decline of about 0.277% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 5th of December, 2024, dropping from $523.26 to $521.81. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.502%, ranging from a low of $521.42 to a high of $524.04. Notably, the price has increased on 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 3.7% over the past 2 weeks. Despite the decline in ETF price, trading volume also decreased, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume should ideally move in tandem with the ETF. On the last day, trading volume fell by 7 million shares, totaling 17 million shares bought and sold for approximately $8.7 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF reached $524.04, while the lowest price was $386.97. Currently, the price stands at 0.43%, or $2.23, below the 52-week high of $524.04, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments surrounding the Invesco QQQ exchange-traded fund indicate a bullish outlook for investors. As of today, the ETF is trending near record levels, with analysts highlighting 5 key reasons for potential gains in the year 2025. A dovish Federal Reserve signaling interest rate cuts further enhances this sentiment, especially benefiting sectors such as real estate investment trusts, as reflected in recent buying recommendations. Additionally, Invesco has expanded its QQQ Innovation Suite with 2 new exchange-traded funds, catering to investor demand for diversified exposure. The existing QQQ ETF has also reached a new 52-week high, boasting a substantial increase of nearly 35% from its lows. This momentum, driven by strong performances from top constituents, underscores the resilience and attractiveness of the technology sector. With robust bullish momentum and expanding breadth in the equities market, the outlook for QQQ remains strong in both the short and long terms. Such shifts in market dynamics not only bolster investor confidence, but also position QQQ as a vital component of growth-focused portfolios for the year 2024 and beyond. As these trends unfold, we can anticipate continued interest and potential upward price movement in this exchange-traded fund. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the fund. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be support from the levels at 514.51 cents and 502.79 cents. A breakdown below any of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has been indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence near-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, December 4th, 2024, with a current decline of approximately 0.277%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 23 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 59 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 62 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $483.36 and $468.62. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this case, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $483.36. If this support is broken, the next level from accumulated volume will be at $468.62 and $448.69. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the associated risk is considered very low. Over the past day, the fund moved $2.62 between its high and low, which is a change of 0.5%. For the past week, the exchange-traded fund has shown an average daily volatility of 0.82%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate a subdued outlook for the company's future or suggest that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $523.26. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $483.36. If this support level is maintained, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $501.74, representing a decrease of 3.85%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, resulting in minimal risk. Recently, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is the QQ ETF a good investment option? Several short-term indicators, alongside an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price level might present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for the QQQ ETF to perform favorably in the near future. However, due to minor weaknesses identified in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our assessment of this ETF from a strong buy to a buy candidate since our last review. Upon examining the volatility and trading patterns from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 6th of December, we anticipate the QQQ to open higher by approximately 61 cents, starting at a price of $522.42. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.